If kakrebia or the petin fudi and so no, like I say, a sodoso a day ama woman and a mammy vimano pebia wubiano, yet me a bania babesum woman in sign. Nana yabo malibia bogabs and for your brain nothing some no yenkuman kasa and fa and mamo. Yet the more shots yet the free sicasimo. Na enra osofo we sika samno no ntoche so kobra so gefiem se ne ne ade atoma ne mu so obekọ na afena pa musa no akoma sika oji na femu no nyina no wakwa chechiem de ya chemra so gafo no se beso no se nsu no ntino osomo kope kakra de beso no so no ne nyina wo kobra so gefiem no wakwa kobobo so e de a chemra so gafo ne Ghana ma de hye na enra kwa wo kopie mra so gefiem no ene wo che se abia ye nhyehyeye se roto no a ono abokwasi am wakwa ta gu no wabra wo ma obi amane no wo ma aye nhyehyeye de ne gu akwamu a abro so afia ye kwa akwamu no ombesa so e de ababiewa a we no ebeye abefu ene hyehye papa eno mo de begu akwamu se beye na route no etima ye adwuma mo man no enya so emfa so.
Mr. Speaker, Cabinet has also granted approval for the disbursement of an additional 1.5 billion Ghana cedis to provide relief and bailout for those whose funds have been locked up in the fund management companies. The establishment of a framework for the reintroduction of road and bridge tolls in 2025. The operationalization of the integrated property tax system and a review of the fiscal responsibility rules to include a debt rule to support debt sustainability as well as the establishment of independent fiscal council. Mr. Speaker, our outlook for the rest of the year also takes cognizance of key risks. The IMF this month has already noted that the global economy is in a sticky spot. Upside risk to inflation and their impact on interest rates remain. These coexist in an environment of escalating trade tensions and increased policy uncertainty.
Osofo we sika sadu no ntutu so Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam ne yetene kanana wamana nsoa eno ache wasa toko so kokyere se Ghana card no a ekrakra ye no a ye de kobasa no wo se eka aban abo e wo Ghana card no ho na nyasam ketwakra ne ye friend se national identification card no wo se eka aban abo wo ho no and number 135 million Ghana cedis ya na nyina eye se beyo na ebeboa ama hoho a wote o mayimo ana se kruba wote o mayimo yetime hu nsunsu ye da wo montamo na aboa ma ye dwadie sikasam atoto yi ede amayen Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam sususu no de okan ye de fa Ghana card ho ni.
Advance our digitalization drive and expand our unique identification system. We've invested about 135 million Ghana cedis in the National Identification Program since January 2024. Mr. Speaker, this significant progress has been underpinned by an environment of enhanced and inclusive engagements with key stakeholders.
For Finance Minister Saso Amanansoa akwanya hoduo ni mpuntujuma akoso ewo mayimu no enra wo kopie mra se begefiem no oboboso e de chemra se begafo no se odo de chenkra pumpene mantemu a ofanko e de kosinse wom kwantempo no a wo mo ebe mo aye ne tetrete no okasa e de fa hom Keta water supply so no okasa kakra e de fa wo bechi bilamte ene flower pot interchange a eno so wo mo eye ne nkra pumpene mantemu ene kwa binumu a womo eye no asantima mu nyina ne mpuntujuma ekoso ewo mayimu no Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam se kire se be 10 billion Ghana cedis de womo atwa pete o mayimu a womo ede eye mpuntujuma ahodo.
Speaker, we've invested almost 10 billion Ghana cedis in the road sector since January 2024 to enhance transportation and spur growth. I can also confirm that government has secured equipment to complement the efforts of our local authorities in improving community roads nationwide. Mr. Speaker, in line with our commitment to infrastructure development, we continue to make progress on projects such as Omfanoti Teaching Hospital, Ofanko and Sawam Road, Keta Water Supply, Opichebi Lamte, and Flowerport interchanges, the 3 bypasses on the Kumasi-Accra Highway, and the Tema-Mpakadam Railway Line. We've completed the Prempeh the First International Airport in Kumasi and the Yakubu Tali International Airport in Tamale. Agenda 111 hospitals are at various stages of completion. We have completed the Afari Hospital in Kumasi and many other hospitals across the country. To advance our digitalization drive,
Abzafon to way AM Rasivijani or one Rasivija Fima this year, Wakaraga Baton Pesia, so Dr. Mohammed Amin Adams and Yetin and Canon and no Sono, a jack only to Yasafi, Yaba Shasi and one Abayan, yes, or Mudomo, Quaco Farm, IMF from Penning from Maba Suimo, Abuami Sika Semajina Yediamaye, and also so IMF from Penning Forces Semra. Ede mayenia na wo si di so ansana sikana no mayo madwene so mde be mayene timiaba emrani bi ene sa ba be ye debt exchange program wi ase na manfo sika akodi dim ne ye wo bankie bondo fo mu nyina sika akodi dimu a wi ase kra ne ye mere wane ye kokokra ekobodom pimo finance minister no mo kwakona wo mo ka ene so finance minister kasade fa ho ntutua wo ma ya afi kra ye wo mi eye August bosome wo mo ebetua sika ne bi dia ma ye merewa ene ye nkokra no.
Concluded our negotiations with 5 of the 7 independent power producers, which will lead to a saving of $6.6 billion over the remaining lifetime of the power purchase agreements. We reined in expenditures to ensure we are within the 2024 budget appropriation and exceeded the mid-year non-oil revenue target by 3.7%. In effect, Mr. Speaker, we are living within our means. Indeed, consistent with our programs with the IMF, we are on course to achieving a primary surplus of 0.5% of GDP by end of the year. We've cleared all outstanding bank transfer advice, BTAs, up to 2022.
For Finance Minister Remed Dani Ranwan Seno Dr. Mohammed Amin Adams and Yetine Kena wakeka na brofu ni nyina guru mra shebe je fiem hodom no na atose edom kese no ene edom kuma no so do omunsusuye omutiri mu po wo madwene efa ne media budget review no a wode koto mra shebe je fiem no so omsusu omde ba Dr. Kesel Atoba Forsen eye mra shebe je ne wo mra shebe je fiem adesia ewo adwuma ko enye ne se na baton peso ya so edom kuma no wono ene da wo ma no wo che MPP aban de se ya brofu akese ni aso den eno mato na boden ene ye na o man ni sikasem nyina giegu a ye hu se ye kwa atekwa adwoe ye Dr. Kesel Atoba Forsen ono so ni nchiremu ni.
Gentlemen of the press, we have just listened to the media budget review of the minister responsible for finance. You agree with me that typical of this government, this address was uninspiring, bereft of new ideas, gives no hope, and fails to offer a roadmap for addressing the numerous problems facing the people of Ghana. This media review leaves many people disappointed and uninspired. It gives no hope to the people of Ghana, and that anything this government had said and have done over the last 7.5 years, they've done nothing to reverse the negative trend.
For no ena edom kuma no da woman no se minority leader Dr. Kesel Atoba Forsen ena yetene cafe yemfa mo mfrem rase ge fiem ni media budget review no nkomo no hoy na yemfa mo emre kumase abonten so amra do a wona hwe kumase so eye yera sampan ena ochechima chensemtwefo tiansemtwefo na so se aban awai sika e de abre kumase metropolitan assembly mpenimfo se kumase central market no a contractor afo no esie no a ebufuo ba ye omo se so ne makoye no omo emfasika no nkoma wunum no mo nsa be gina so nya adwuma ne dika enti omo nsa emfa emfiri hom keme boss yera sampan na kire se sika de bedrui na last week nyina no na omo ne contractor for ne edi nkomo adwumayefo na no omo ne omo ye adwuma no a omo eja omo kwan no omo ahyase ne omo hia from no omo nyina no boa abro so abosumi aye kwakọ rem no ye behu so omo gina so a omo eye adwuma waka kire mu people safidie Kumasi Central Market nya de a ombetimi awie nemum yire so pass so de a afofra ye kwakọ rem na ban ebetene nsa e de afri ho.
We had recommencement of work engagement meeting last week Thursday, and they firmed it up with their program of actions. Since they left site for about a year plus, about 13 months, they need to re-engage the workers, and re-engaging them, they also need to go through medicals.
Observanti we yera sampan kumasi amrado no amana nso a eno achi no wo kire empata dodo a ebeko kumasi central market dwanimu ene so toso dodo a ebeko nyina no yera sampan kumasi amrado wo chichire mu se kire yen.
That should have been done and over by February of this year. We've wasted or delayed for about 13 months, and therefore, if even there's going to be a crash program, it's not going to be just a month or 2 months or 4 months. I know it's going to go beyond that, but the exact time that they finish, when they start work, they are supposed to give us their timelines from the 4th up to when they complete work. So.
Observanti we kumasi amrado yera sampan ena yete ninke we amra na yene no edi kumasi central market honkomo na yebusa entutuya aban aye ede afahom yemfamo enkonsem fufuru e yedemo ekwa asante achimbanka na buzua na nanom ne adehye wa asante achimbanka wa asante mantemo de atugya se otwedi aponyankrom pompa se yadom hatam no nkumachi anya wonum abro ene yegudi ade wodi bi adom wonum ewo mo nsase na se no mo no omo mpese gold no a abepia omo nsase ne so no mbetutu no basa amana akose nsuo asen sase na asenfudie nti no wonoma ayenhyehye aban community money omoni amanfo didi nkoma wonomo eyebi wo mpotem na akase minister ohwe yensa asini mu adodode ho nsensem so obesim pampampan no obepia no ama wonum no matimi atuo ama mranche de maba wasoso naja omatimanya kakra de yi chop money wo fie eno na akwa ebuachi bidi sesi o mabono a mpenimfo de kina o momaye nansa momaye na wotwe ye beba saa bisine na nanomo esre eye Lands and Natural Resources Minister yerabugina ponene dom se nene kire ya omonye seye no mo community mine no mo bia no emfa emo asante achimbanka
fiasumvia ewo hapa yi staduma na baswa e pinse emraso na afemu omo abaye omo office awie no omo ntiminya adwuma ne emrante nsoso entiminya bini esanse ya ankolete sa wo mu go aplosifo obo asojafo obo bibi ya total ebina mu bu na ebina abatwa ewo ese brade ya adom na se beje wo mo ensamanfo mposi e bedo ente sa ati asefo
ye ni je won se ibisa baba sara se bia ni kuremu ya tena banka kurum ha be fi be numnie ehun se adwuma ho ye dene e wo banka ha because be ye hye no adwuma ye dene maye na mabunu so okuri mu a mabunu no modoso adwuma ni ha na yafutu ye ne ehun se community mining na say aban ba na anka obebie maye na ye legalize se de be ya mabunu benya adwuma ye say be ma development abakro ni so banka
for we na nanom ne adesie wa asante achimbanka ena yeti wo munken afi yemfomo enko sahwiyo so abaton pesua so na no dwoada no ena mrase gyafo ko adwuma se ne da wo mko no kokotena se kodwendwiro man ho ano muguso a wo eye adwuma na mampeni na nadodan kwa kufado e de krata akwa akoto mrase gyafiem ho no mo se waba awura no mo mienu bi din se mrase gyafo no gye wo mutumu a wo mko ye adwuma wo man Ghana ye court baten ne kese ya judge for mo ye adwuma Supreme Court no mienu eba bejuo ma home retirement no mo baby eno nti mampeni yese wabobia him semra speaker fo no nyo muntum no mo koye adwuma wo ho no mo ena na speaker of parliament ebo mra speaker fo na mane a odi bi kofiafia ho ena ma se hwi osomra speaker ni sorry ye kache owura ne se na de a wa ye de na jese asem no wosigina ye osusu ni tumi bia se speaker of parliament utumi edi sigina ye wo sansem no ho ena speaker bufu ya opam se hwi oso MP di free mra speaker fie mo na de share demonstration says speaker on penetum peneno o mama na wotwe na wotwe mienu o me pacho na yodi ya omomra sibegeni enim guase a wodi gu no wo metwe saade ne nyina nsan eye MPP secretary a owo se hwiyoso ora Emmanuel Atamafo
Dr. Kokwefri yenko akwachira na adwen a wo pam no fi parliament you was standing orders 35 no and ma speaker of parliament to me say otimi pam wo bi fi parliament na so be pam no e wo kwan ye so faso oka 129 na standing orders 129 e kire pefe procedures a ye de e punish obi e wo parliament ni nyina wa ye den wan faso o mana no so a wo se yem pam no fi parliament nti pam na pam no fi parliament no e na ye ka se antwa ne kwan so eti ye demand unqualified apology a champa kese e de ma ye papa Dr. Kwakwafurie eni se wi manyina
Abzafonti weye ayora Emmanuel Atamafo na yes Huyoso constituency secretary edema MPP amanyuko no mo MP Dr. Kwakwafurie a omo pam no free mrase ge fiem no mo pecho padendenden de afa ho na de hye ne bisuso de kakra so sei
Sanka Yewra Alban Sumana Babin Kingsley. No, for the past 24 years, Watina Parliament, no one speakers of Parliament and some Bebreno, near Nimsanka Nura, or the San in Nimdiano, or the San Yansana West Shia Bebrebeno, and called the Bayajuma, our Parliament. Nenyon, because I'm ready at Chombea Finifani, or Tina Parliament, now Konyamu, Ekan said, Obetimia impeach the president of the land, Obiankashi Antrano, Tina Chess Ordinance Afifa, Ghana. Fonum or the Nsafifa Sakifonum and Nintin and Radio no 1 year is hard.
Akikia pa Anra Matumi Anamiketa so Asamitiano not me would ya
Abzafonti weye aya this year was Huyoso na yete wo mo enke ni nyina eyo mo MP Dr. Kwaku every year na no Juada Speaker of Parliament oni ni yiyi wi ase Speaker eka ni si abonten akwese teacher ni zuku nkwada no ka ni si abonten ma watchmanfo no be fa ni pie no eno na this year ye ho demonstration say Speaker we dia wantwaye we dia anyade ntebe ya bra na ebe pacho ewo ehom ye de kase ni si ya na sorry amama hina asaso aba betenase bioni uku adawo frɛ na waka wasɛm dwumadie so de mom OCP fertilizers ne ye kamfo de amawo sese wo ye kuani a o fertilizer papa ye OCP ye wo NPK 15 ewo ho OCP NPK 15 ede wo OCP NPK 10 ni nyina onyamu bia na de pete eye onobae ne so a eso doso de amawo enye na ewo ba bia tonto agrochemicals de nyina na wafra yen so se bia pe hu nchemu bia 0555909437 0555909437 and 0555909433 0555909433 wonum ene taye chi anopay baby awobia ne timi ba ye ba besum okukua ene chinchin fidie ndema me Shadrack Kelvin ekoba jesisi mpremu ni azuka